Hey guys, it's Blake here, bringing you back another video. And today, I am showing you a Greenlight dump truck Dodge Ram from Greenlight. Just like how I showed you the Ford Transit from Greenlight. Yeah. It's a landscape Dodge Ram dump truck. And you can do this, like the bed can stay up. So, like that's the dump thing. Like I saw this truck and I was like, let me get it. Oh, back to the there's the dump truck. Oops, let me put the thing. There's the truck. Stay tuned the next video, because I am showing you a two Greenlight Dodge Rams. One's red and one is black, so I'm showing you those in the next video. But this is just the Greenlight Dodge Ram with the dump bed. So, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a nice day.